Hi, welcome home. Welcome to the Resiner's Poorhouse.
Welcome home.
Happy to see you today. I have a quick little project. I've never used this, but it's like a leaf motif on this little bowl. And my good friend at Mrs. Lisa Crow sent me these homemade mica flakes that are just incredibly special. And I thought that since it is still fall,
It's fall, y'all.
that I could take some of these and use these flakes and I for this bowl, and I'm just gonna push them down in here in all directions and sizes. And she did this especially in a rainbow pattern for me, and I cannot thank you enough, Lisa.
Thank you so much.
You are the bright spot of my day, and I love you to pieces. And thank you for taking the time to do this, because I know it's not always easy to find time in the schedule
There's no time in my schedule to put together another schedule.
to create for yourself, let alone other people. So I believe she has a video, I'll link it in the description, on how to make these flakes. She has developed a process that works great for her, and they come off pretty easily, and you can make them really small, or you can grind them up if you want. Just trying to get some orange here. She's actually sent me a couple of different colors, and the copper ones that she has made are just breathtaking. And I don't know if the camera's picking up the shine, but the shine is insane.
Insane. Insane!
More insane.
And I believe that she should sell these. Patent the process. Because I have never seen flakes like this before.
Boy, do I feel like a flake.
They're stunning. They're incredible.
Gold flakes. Gold.
And oh, my resin is so hot. I'm hoping. Yep, definitely have enough resin. I'm just gonna squeeze some of these ends here, because they look like they could get some bubbles. They look like they can trap some air. Hard to say. You know, it's very interesting, and never using a specific mold. Yeah, I see a bunch in there. I see a big one here. Come on, buddy. Burp. See another big one right here. Come on, flick. Maybe I should go get my electric toothbrush and try to get these out. I might do that once I have this settled. Or just beat on it, spank it. Come on, get out. Oh, look, that's working. Well, I don't know if you can see it, but oh, the bubbles are coming to the top. It's like whack-a-bubble. Wacka, 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 wacka.
You have walked your last walker, bear.
Who used to say that on Muppets? Waka, 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 waka.
What the walker?
Just don't splash anywhere in your face. Okay, come on. Good thing this one doesn't have a lid. Let's put some more in the bottom here. And I gotta quick find something else to put the rest of this resin in. It's not a lot, but it's enough to do something with. Alrighty, y'all. Thank you so much. And sorry, I just messed up and got a whole bunch of resin in a bunch of places I didn't want. Okay, my fault. Alrighty. This might be hot enough to do a bloomin'. Okay, thanks guys. I will see you for the demold. Hi, we are back, and I have totally ruined my mat. I'm never gonna get this off. So I know that's not what you're looking for, but
Ruined. Completely ruined.
let's get this beautiful little bowl out of its prison.
I just want to be a beautiful salad bowl.
You are a beautiful salad bowl.
Yikes. Some weird over pour. Dang, I'm not strong enough today. What the heck? Why can't I get this out? Oh. Oh. Don't be a bubble on the end. That leaf looks good. That point looks good. That point looks good. Yes. Tapping it helps. Oh, it's got a little bubble right there, but that's really pretty. That's cute. That's stunning. Oh my gosh. I really like this mold. And I really love these flakes. Look at how pretty this little bowl is. Forget the other thing on the side. I'm sure you've already watched it. Look. It's got the little leaf patterns in there. Love that. Goodness. Okay, that's going to be one of my favorites now. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Okay, thank you very much for stopping by the Resiner's Poorhouse. Remember to stay sticky, and you always have a home here.